Hello everyone. Our today's topic is based on English. The topic is that wordology. Here we will get to know the basic tricks of English, then how we can solve the problems like close test, antonyms, synonyms, idiom and phrases, double filler, comprehension. So friends, you are warmly welcome to Satya tutorial. Today's lecture is totally based on English section that all we know English can play a vital role in bank, SSC, engineering aptitude or any examinations. So as to crack any exam of them, you guys need strong vocabulary stocks. So here we will get to know how and easily grasp the vocabs. So today's section is fully based on root words by which you guys easily answer like antonyms, synonyms, idiom and phrases, clause test, double filler and comprehension. When you know the meaning of a root, you can better understand and more easily remember all the words that built on this root. So friends, let's start wordology. First we will get to know what is root word. Root word is the word by which we can make more and more words and get to know the words, variety of the words. So we will get to know how to build your words and your vocabs. Hello everyone, we will discuss on wordology. So that before we will get to know that what root word. Second is how to build your vocabulary. Okay, here we can see that wordology. So we will break wordology according to root word. Here we can break word plus ology means word and ology. We guys know what is word. Okay, a word is a combination of letter which makes a meaningful meaning, and so it's means meaningful, and ology means study. So as a combination we can say that study of words is called wordology. So I say study of words. So as I showed you, that is word is another root word and ology is a root word. Okay, so word means meaningful and ology means study. That combines, that makes study of words is called wordology. As I told you before, wordology. Wordology is the study of origin of words, or we can also say that study of words is called wordology, or maybe study of origin of words is called wordology. So the some basic roots are like, first, child. So the synonyms of child are also called as pedia, infant. Third, that is filly. Filly is also form another form of child, and the fourth one is foety. That are the synonyms of child. The second is study. So study can be also logy, called as logy, east, and third one is Asian. These are the suffix of the words. If you guys see this type of suffix behind the words, then you can easily understand the synonyms of a word. So study can also be called as logy, east and Asian. So third one is books. Books can also be called as biblo. The all things that I am teaching you are the synonyms of a word. Fourth one, that is girls. Girls can be called as gyne. So you guys have ever seen that gyne? The gyne words are used in the medical term as a gynecologist. So the fourth one is boy or man. So the synonyms of boy are anthrop, andros, and the third one is homie. So as like addiction. So synonyms of addictions can also be called as mania. Mania is also another form of addictions that is related to this. So here is the word as faith. Faith is also called as fight. This is the synonyms of fight. Faith can be of generally two types. Good faith and bad faith. Okay, so good is related to Bain family. The word Bain is also the synonyms of good. Okay, and bad is always called as mal. So good is related to Bain family and bad is related to mal family. Whenever these types of words can came, then the words that strikes in your mind that is Ben is related to a good family, or mal is related to a bad family. Means something related which is bad or something related which is good is called as Ben as a good or mal as a bad. So now I am showing you the root words of these words. Okay, the love can be called as philen. Fear can be called as phobia. Fire, that is pyro. Hate is synonyms like misan. The word made misanthrope. Sorry guys, kill can't be misan. Kill can be called as the side, like a sororicide, matricide, fratricide. God, synonyms like theo. Okay, and the word that I left, misan, is the synonyms of hate. M-I-S-E-I-N, misan. Misan is the synonyms of hate. If you're hating a person, then you can call it misanthrope. Okay, now we get to know synonyms of marriage. Marriage synonyms is gamos, and it is of three types. Gamos is of three types. Mono means that is single. Bi means more than one, and that is two. And third is poly. So these are the forms of gamos, and gamos is the synonyms of marriage. Now I will show you some examples of root words. Like as I before told you, kill synonym that is related to side. So father means killing of father is called patricide. Brother can be called as fratricide. So here you can see that brother means fratry, and fathers that is related to patry. Now comes to mother. Mother can be known as matricide. So killing of mother is called matricide. Matri means mother, and side means that I told you, side means killing. Okay, sister. So killing of sister is called sorori, sororicide. Sorori, the root word. Sorori, the root word of sister. Matri is the root word of mother. Fatri is the root word of brother. A patri is the root word of father. So, as killing of wife is called uxoricide. Uxoricide. Uxori means wife. The word uxori related to wife. Yani killing of wife is called uxoricide. Now, family. Family means pari. Killing of family. The one person who kills his family or her family is called parricide. Pari is the root word of family. There is a slight difference between father and family. Father is patri, okay, and family is pari. So guys, you don't get confused in two words like father or family. Father is patri, and family is known as pari. Okay. So that's all for today. Today is the end of session 1, or you can say as the lecture 1. And there are lots of root words which will help you to decode antonyms, synonyms, double fillers, idiom phrases, clause stage comprehension. The root words which will help you to increase your vocabs. So for further root words, do not forget to subscribe and like my video. I will be back with more sessions that will surely help you to crack any examination, especially bank and SSC. So guys, please keep subscribing and like my videos for further sessions. Thank you.